I do general commercial litigation, general business litigation, lawsuits involving companies and individuals. They could be breach of contract issues, employment-related issues, non-compete issues. It just runs the spectrum. You know, I represent a lot of financial institutions in litigation matters, you know, both in federal court and state court. Have had several jury, non-jury trials. That I'm in the courtroom. I'm trying to get something resolved. My goal is to get someone from point A to point B in a cost-efficient way, whether that's in business disputes, between companies, between individuals, what have you. That's my goal, is to get them from point A to point B to where they're satisfied and to where they can actually see some finality. I think that's a lot of problems with some of these cases, is that things drag out, and you know, my goal is to figure out what the end game is from the get-go and get to that. I tend to take a client-centric approach to the work I do. You know, sometimes lawyers get a bad rap, or maybe it's the right rap for, you know, we spend tons of time looking over a file and billing the client, we don't get anywhere. You know, I tend to cut through all that and get to the point, you know, to where we can get to a resolution for the client. I like getting to that end game and hopefully the client being satisfied with that. That's where I get the best satisfaction out of my job. And, you know, working with the people that I work with here on different matters, that could be really satisfying. There's a lot of smart people here, and you learn a lot. And I really enjoy that interaction as well.